Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am the Wolf, and today I will tell you that how retailers get trapped and with because of their emotions, FOMO and FUD. They get trapped and like this in just a second their stop loss gets hit and all the big players make money. And I'll show you how. So that's why it is important to control your emotions while trading and trade with perfect analysis as well. And in advance I am saying sorry because of the background noises that may occur in the video. So let's get into the charts. Today my main analysis will be on Bitcoin only and what happened in the last 24 to 48 hours and how people lost their money. So right now, as I told you all that the Bitcoin price was in a candle losing momentum scenario. That means there was a big green candle and then a small one and then a small one. So I told you that this can indicate a change or a reversal, but the price will first consolidate a little bit and then it can either break to the upside or to the downside. That's what I informed you guys, and the same exactly happened here also. The price did consolidated, but after yesterday's Federal Reserve meeting, so people entered in a long position, or I would say because of this fake out, people entered in a long position with FOMO and FUD. And as you can clearly see, one daily candle is also not closed above this parallel channel. That means that this green candle first closed, and then we can clearly see one red candle coming for a retest. That is, this today's candle did close above this zone, then we can think of the price that can go to the upside. But if you are watching my previous videos, you know that $36,000 is a very important zone, a very important resistance for the Bitcoin price. And if the price breaks this zone to the upside, this $36,000 level to the upside, then only it can go all the way up to $48,000. I will pin that video in the comments. You can watch that and understand the important levels to trade. So this is the move where the retailers and the beginner traders got caught. They entered in a FOMO because of this green candle and a slightly big volume here, as you can see this volume, and of course it got a fake out and now the stop loss are getting hit live here only. So I would suggest that not to enter a trade and always do your own analysis as well. And obviously there is a very important resistance here at $36,000. So if you will enter a long also, then what will be your target? It will be a very small target also, so it is a very risky trade. Coming to the Ethereum's daily time frame, I hope you remember this rising parallel channel that I told you in my videos couple of days ago. The price incessantly went to the upside, but it made a halt over here. As you can clearly see, the price is facing a very important resistance at this parallel channel right here. So this indicates that the parallel channel here that I have drawn is a very important resistance right here playing for the price. And if the price breaks out of this parallel channel, that means it goes to the upside with a perfect retest or with a high volume candle, then we can clearly see that the price can immensely pump to the upside very easily. Just a quick update on Stellar, because I've taken a trade on Stellar with you guys live. So after the fake out of Bitcoin and stopping out all the traders and all the FOMO that has been created in the market, as we can clearly see, the price is continuously pumping to the upside with an uptrend that is low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low and higher high. So it what I am thinking is it's just a correction. That means this was an impulse, this is a correction, and what I'm thinking is that the price can continue to the upside as well. So I would recommend you guys to not exit of this trade immediately. Just trail your trade, trail your stop loss, and just hold on your profits as well, because right now I am at approx $5,000 to $6,000 in profits. We entered here and the price is right now here. Our target is all the way up till here also. So yes guys, this was just a quick trade update on Stellar as well, that not to FOMO and not to panic if the trade is going against us. Just hold on your stop loss and take profit. That's it. And I hope you understand how the Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is ready to take your money with you, and you can easily give them your money for free with just some emotions and some FOMO entry. That's it. So that's why I say always enter a perfect trade with your analysis as well. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you want to trade crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link of Bybit is in the top of the description. You can get free $30,000 gift, and you can create an account for free also. Bybit link is in the comments and at the top of the description as well. And if you want to watch the mentioned video, that of the important $36,000 level and the next target of $48,000, I will pin it in the comments, so do watch it also. See you guys next time.